Hello everyone, I welcome you in this YouTube video lecture. My name is Manoj Falaswal. In this lecture, we will discuss various filters using operational amplifier. So let's start. What is filters? So a filter is a frequency selective circuit that passes a specified band of frequency and blocks or attenuate signal of frequency outside this band. And filter may be classified on a number of ways, such as analog or digital filter, passive or active filter, audio or radio frequency filters. So analog filters are designed to process only signals, while digital filters process analog signals using digital techniques. And depending on the type of element used in construction of the filters, filters may be classified as positive or active filters. And elements generally we used in passive filters are resistors, capacitors and inductors. Whereas in active filters we employ transistors or operational amplifier in addition to the resistor and capacitor. And depending upon the element, the frequency range is decided. Generally, RC filters are used for audio or low frequency operation, whereas LC filters are employed at RF or high frequencies. And the most commonly used filters are as follows: A. Low pass filters, high pass filters, band pass filters, band reject filters, and the last one is all pass filters. So this figure shows the frequency response characteristic of the 5 types of filters. The ideal response is shown by the dashed line, while the solid line indicates the practical filter response. A low pass filter has a constant gain from 0 Hz to a high cutoff frequency fH. Therefore, the bandwidth of a low pass filter is given by fH. At fH, the gain is down by 3 dB, and after that the gain decreases as frequency increases. The frequency range 0 to fH Hertz is called pass band, and the beyond fH is called stop band. Similarly, a high pass filter has a constant gain from very high frequency to a low cutoff frequency for this region. Below FL, this should be FL instead of FH. So below this FL, the gain decreases as frequency decreases. The gain is continuously decreases. At FL, the gain is down by 3 dB. The frequency range FL to infinite, FL to this infinite is called pass band, and below this FL is called stop band. And similarly, a band pass filter pass a range of frequency and stops beyond this range. So its bandwidth is given by this fH minus fL. There are two stop band and one pass band. And if it's vice versa, then this is known as band reject filter. It stops a particular range of frequency and pass other frequencies. Whereas all pass filter is defined as it passes all the frequencies, but it introduces a phase shift between the input and the output signal. So whenever we need to introduce a phase shift in a signal, we pass it through a all pass. So let's start detailed discussion of first order low pass filter. Figure shows a first order low pass Butterworth filter that uses a RC network for filtering, and operational amplifier is used in non-inverting configuration, and R1 and RF feedback factor decide the gain of the filter. So according to voltage divider rule, voltage at the non-inverting terminal V1 is given by minus jXC upon R minus jXC into Vin, where Xc is given by 1 upon 2 pi Fc. So when we put this Xc value in this equation, we will get V1 equal to this upon this, and finally we will get V1 equal to Vin upon 1 plus J 2 pi FCR, and due to negligible differential voltage at the input of operational amplifier, V1 will be equal to V2. So V1 equal to V2 equal to this one, and the output in this configuration is given by 1 plus RF by R1 into V1, because this is an non-inverting amplifier. In non-inverting amplifier, gain is given by 1 plus RF by R1, and the output is given by gain into V1. So when we put the equation value of V1 from the above equation, we will get V output is this one, and V output upon V in is given by AF upon 1 plus J F by FH, where V0 by Vin is the gain of the filter as a function of frequency, and AF is given by 1 plus RF by R1, or passband filter gain, also known as passband filter gain. F is the frequency of input signal, FH is the cutoff frequency of the filter, and FH is given by 1 upon 2 pi RC. If we take the magnitude of this equation, we can write the magnitude of gain low pass filter mod of V0 by Vin is given by AF upon under root 1 plus F by FH whole square. And if we calculate the phase angle of this equation, we can write phase angle equals to minus of tan inverse F by FH. So at low frequency, V0 by mod of V0 by V in equal to AF, and F equal to FH means at the cutoff frequency or at high frequency, the gain is, if we put F equal to FH in this equation, we will get gain equal to AF by root 2, or that comes out 0.707 AF, or also known as 3 dB gain of the maximum gain. So I suggest all of you to go through this calculation by your own hand and finally reach the final result of voltage gain at any frequency and the phase angle at any frequency. So that's all for today's lecture. In next lecture we will discuss some filter design example and other filter circuit. Thank you.